So we're checking out the Flower Market. This is between 6th and 7th Ave and 28th Street. This is called the Dutch Flower Line.
Dutch Flower Line.
So many different kinds of flowers.
I've got 1,000 things to say. You'll never hear them 'cause they're too cliche to ever leave my trembling mouth. And I hate myself.
The art, and it has a temporary nature to it.
Yeah.
What is it called? Like
The texture?
Moisture in the egg. It's a different set of. I'm sure it's a try one.
Yeah, go for it. So we just finished brunch. We're on our way to Chelsea Market area to look at some art galleries. If you can see the sky, it's very cloudy today, but not too cold, kind of bright. So we're just gonna take it as it comes.
And I feel for you more than I care to.
The architecture is very interesting. And the basket. Someone's old kitchen.
Jeter les filets d'amour. Remontez-les dans 2000 ans.
Very cool. Okay, we are entering into the void.
아침에 눈을 뜨자마자 느낀 설레임 발산맨 향기로운
And this is how you can park cars in New York.
꽃 같아.
We are walking to Little Island. I don't know anything about this place except that it opened recently and it's man-made. So we'll see. Hello, New York. Watching us, watching them.
부터인 것들과 내게 가까이 다가와 좋아한다고 말해. 꽃 내 맘에 피
music in the background. Very chill.
우리 집 가로등 불빛 아래 너와 나 blossoming 부드러운 매혹적인 새빨간 roses 피어가 yeah. 한 걸음씩 가까이 만다 빛을 마주 보고서
Bye bye, Little Island. Until next time. Let's go get a Tesla. Just kidding. One day. One day.